Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. Today, you will learn the ins and outs of the Get Asset Balance node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The Get Asset Balance node can be used to retrieve the current balance of a given asset held by a device. It will take as input the device ID and return two numbers, one corresponding to the balance and another corresponding to how many of the assets remain unconfirmed. Like the Retrieve Asset Info node, this node only contains three fields in its Properties panel: the Name field, Connection field, and Asset ID field. To review, the Name field allows you to enter a descriptive name for each node, while the Connection field allows you to set your previously configured Catenis virtual device connection or configure a new virtual device. The Retrieve Asset Info node contains the Asset ID field, in which you can enter the ID of an asset you have previously created in order to get the current balance of the asset. Now, let's see this node in action by opening up the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node-RED hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the Get Asset Balance node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. If you don't remember how to do this, check out the video at this link. You will also need to alter the JSON input to match the asset ID of an asset you have previously generated. Don't have an asset ID? Complete the tutorial at this link to generate your own asset ID. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Note that inputs injected into this node via a JSON object containing alternate node properties will override the properties set on this node's slide-out properties panel. Awesome! Now you should understand the Get Asset Balance node. Coming up in our next video, you'll learn how to use the Get Asset Balance node.